let's start with downloading Visual Studio Code and install it. To download this Visual Studio Code, let's go to our browser and write code.visualstudio.com. Click this first link, Visual Studio Code, Code Editing Redefined, and it will take you to this website where you can download Visual Studio Code for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. There is other versions too, like for Windows versions of Windows, and you can also download zip file. Going back, I'm going to download the stable one. About this stable and insiders version, this stable version is like every features of this version is tested, and the other features, like people are also trying to develop many other features for this code editor. You will get those underdeveloped features in insiders. It's more like a developer version. So I'm going to click this stable version for now, and I'm going to download it. I'm actually using the installer, but you can also download the zip file. After clicking this in installer, the download will start, and it will take us to this page where you can go get all kind of setup information, starting information, like it's a user guide for Visual Studio Code. So the download is finished. Now we are going to install it. You can install it like any other software. Let's go to the download file, click run. Accept and click next, next, next. You can check this icon next and install. The installation is finished. Let's launch the Visual Studio Code. Yeah, you will have this window with start, recent,